Hello friends, welcome to learn Microsoft Excel. Today we are going to learn Consolidate. Go to data, there is Consolidate. It is used to summarize your data on the new sheet. You can use at least two or at most number of sheets to summarize your data. Here suppose we have sheet 1 price of item, sheet 2 some price of item, and we want to add this item to sheet 3. Okay, for that uh, select the cell on sheet 3, go to consolidate. What do you want to use the function? Here you have some, count, average, max, min, like this. Here I use sum. Okay, then first browse sheet 1, sorry, here I want to use sum. Then click here and go to sheet 1, select the data, click on add, then go to sheet 2, again select the data, click on add. You can also here tick top row and left column and click on OK. Here you have a sum. Let us check it. Sheet 1 1200, sheet 12 to 1250, and sheet 3 is 2450. Okay, like this you can add data. But suppose here I change this value. Suppose here I have 1500 and then go to sheet 2, there is no changes. Then how to make link between this? Now again, let us once again consolidate the data. Delete this. Again, click cell. Go to consolidate. Then here is sheet 1 reference. Or first delete this. Now go to sheet 1. Select the data. But here you have to tick create link to source data. Okay. Then click on add. Then go to sheet 2. Select the data. Click on add and click OK. Here the same sum is same. Okay, and due to link it will create the group. Here data on first sheet, data on second sheet. Suppose now we want to change this value, or if we change this value, then here the sum is changed. Okay, like this you can use consolidate, static consolidate, or linking consolidate. And you can use number of function. Here you have a list of function. When you go to consolidate, here you have a list of function. You can use all these functions to summarize your data. Okay, thank you for watching the lecture. We will continue in next lecture.